Hi, this is Messi from Max Review, and today we're going to be reviewing the Revlon Blow Dryer. If you're someone with sensitive skin, sensitive hair, you don't think there's volume, this is the perfect one for you. It enhances, you see all those smooth ones, they can give you like enough, it volumerize your hair, and it has this over design over here for some smooth volume styles. And then we have a detangle free combination of bristles, so all this they help detangle. It is a game changer for me. I struggle with detangling my hair because it's 4C, and this is perfect and it works for all hair types. And we have a unique airflow vents, if you can check right there, for faster drying and for better coverage. Trust me guys, this is a game changer blow dryer. Most blow dryers they would burn my skin because my skin is very sensitive, but this one, it really has enough like optimum in all those thin vents. It makes it even easier, and it just gives you the perfect amount of heat that you need. It also has multiple heat settings like right over here, so for complete drying and styling flexibility no matter what you want. So there is off, cool, low, high, so you have all the settings over here. And I like how it's easy to handle as well when you're doing your hair, and it's no matter what the friction is, it's very easy to use. And the cord very stretchy, very lengthy, so you do not have to worry about anything. And I'm telling you, this has 36% less breakages. I haven't had any breakages since I started using this, and it makes your hair even more shiny. You can use it. This is a typical salon blown out, so go check this. Revolution one step voluminizer, power of a dryer, volume of a styler. Go check this out. Good luck.